8 free and open source download managers. Number 1. Persepolis is a simple, free, and open source download manager available for Windows, Mac, and Linux. No. 2. Motrix, another completely free software that works like a charm. Motrix is an open source download manager that looks great UI-wise and also offers great features. No. 3. You get Download Manager. One of the best things about this download manager is its download speeds. No. 4. FireDM. Created using Python, this free and open source download manager is great for downloading files and videos faster. Number 5. JDownloader. Built using Java, JDownloader is an open source and completely free download manager. Number 6. KGet. KGet is a download manager that's a part of the KDE app ecosystem. It's free and open source, but is only available for Linux. No. 7. Free download manager. Most popular alternatives to IDM, and that's because it's free. The other reason is that it doubles up as a torrent download. Number 8. Extreme Download Manager. Extreme Download Manager is a powerful tool to increase download speed up to 500%, save streaming videos from websites, resume broken/dead downloads, schedule and convert downloads. XDM seamlessly integrates with Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox Quantum, Opera, Vivaldi, and other Chromium and Firefox-based browsers to take over downloads and saving streaming videos from web.